Aner malaken yam kana dialtin kontin barwani lingwa seme ka Nuer online TV channel. Enda manduni chan kon yamle nong rwai ne gwaseme lertin bana linga wale ke lerte goro de kon keling. No to kon katung wan be kon keling gwaseme men yam goro jeno barwa ke kwi koranda na chituok. Kor chituok ka longechuk kam de ne SSPDF kana de ne SPLIO. Ka kore bana jo bana jeling ka damandan kel mi bumbum mitre kuma ka gwasmo bi kon message dan beto bana jelene nyokaliang but ken am chana calling ni mandala breaking news bana kulo ka raja dana lade men gorno ben nyoga kel gwasme ta ko dana chitok nika kor tarun wangandan chetogo no cha dini SSPDF wa cha ka kapkura kuma SPLIO wa cha ka dakka cha ka joj ka longechuk waken chaka joine re ruop wasen kan re ruop ntame cha de ne SSPDF chaka yaw ka dor anyok ci kuumɛ SPLIO cha tekane di kan ka kap ko jodan chalat no so me lero de wichin winami attack korin kona charlat ngai kona talk ano kuumɛ mara ke kirme yadi cikana gorno bikan kuumɛ SPLIO bikan ka woch gonni kendial bara kore ci toga wale kam SSPDF kana kuumɛ SPLIO cha joje no cha de ne kirme yadi chaga jujre guch antame wachen kanere ruop ko korwa ngode wekawe kan tidiala content charen lad miti ke liam ci tuoktin ke mi chode ladane kana kon lad bat cha ne cha nyun ne tin kon tin cha mo ka bot ram ken mi cha nyot ke video mi cha ber ke cha kep dini SPLIO ram mo chala do kana nek te ka ta dan ci korche togoje korche beje long ko kuumɛ SSPDF kon kuumɛ SSPDF awaken panken chore ya leka bo tegen ngamechi dit badno che nyanke ko dini SPLIO kene dini tin kola nan Nuer wayami awaken tin konten charen mat chukan kuumɛ kirmi yadi jukana yo joj wachi kan re ka dor antem chikan ngot re wikka longechuk wa kare ruop longechuk ton wacha je kep no shukur mo chore lat men biya hol ngajene edin kon nyen te ga Nuer tegitin kwinne dangro ga Nuer ka de SPLIO ka ga Nuer ka kuumɛ kirmi yadit kan ga Nuer kon te ka kuumɛ kirmi yadit ka ga te cha kok kirmi yadit cha kok yo ko biken kir bikana gang kana ne dialan kon ya kwany commissioner cha kwany kirmi yadit da wajen cha je joj but chela do jeno ngot ke te ka gwat mitigatin within matiang but kuumɛ SPLIO chikala do na mo kach kan cha ga jo chikan ngot re wit ka matiang kanere ruop gwat dan cha ga joten jowo me wa me lerode wa kuumɛ SSPDF jatin real karudi ne ka kode kan kuumɛ SPLIO de kan nyoka mu joy kana ba but kuumɛ SPLIO chikala no tel mu goro ba ka joj ajen mi chikana yan pinyantama kani bine kurme bine ter men mi cha dakre mo cha je luny ajen ko dan choro laren wale cha de ne SPLIO no kendial wa chiken de ne SSPDF chiken ga joj gwazante kon tegatin jowo me amide yan len ka do ba dan chalat keja lera pa kon lingwase me ata danan ci korje togoje are wike longeshu kama tiang ngai kona kubna chiang token winimi but kore me different kore mene kam Nuerin kon shunkel ke dakre machar ki Nuer content cha dorin cha je kana jang re wike longeshu ni ga gwase dan me ci kor me ci to kore dan to ka Nasser ci kon ngadi no cha longeshu ne cha je bok kuumɛ kirmi yadit bokane kare nyale anyoka ken kor ajen pay me pay badaga mi pay we kon wal te kon chiang pay won no kajen pay badak cha Nuer re wichin winimi bo cha ka bokare nyal kuumɛ kirmi yadit ci kuumɛ SPLIO chikan yo kajen no ngweno bnaro den wonak ki ba ka jujre wike matiang ajen do badan chile ro lar no mo cha de ni SSPDF cha ka juj ka cha ka dor cha jo mishir no mo cha jelat jo ban nyogmal kwen kono gwasme bala mandat en shore lat no ka jo mi chalat gwasme mi gor be nyoga yekel gor jeno de kono ling karam kel mi very important person re which ka South Sudan bar kon la roch mi chenon gwatme galwa jo nyot ki Dikson Gatluak jo mi chalat gwasme ka tada and South Sudan te keje bar mandan chalat gwasme ban jeling kel ki muchindan en che gorno banaling gor jeno de koran palping ke lengde mi jiram jidit gwasme kan Nuer online TV channel gor je en wojin der jo me de nyane ko ken ki pele rod ping ke lengde ko do badan chenon keje ko gor kono bu korwani bu kon kaling de koran palping katin kono balat gwasme tuga en mandana balat ko very important ko kondial ani chan jeling kel ka do badan en che to ko je
kwalum chata loan medit ko chi kon jigan wala an wala changa kel ka pai bangwan Karwan bag dor dangrau to within Kajandangra with this 2025. Aram right yama. And General Dikson Gatluak, the leader of South Sudan United Front. Arauda, a hand member of the coalition of South Sudan opposition movements, Minchalke Sisam. And Walla, Banaraika Diok, Kiangwan, Kalyamaji, you have to pay attention. Kakwika Tilaka Rodian. Amenyam, maybe Banaraik. Kamadi the Wuna, especially Yan Nuer. Madi the Wuna, Tuli the put the Kajin of Sudan. And we Yenedi. Kocha George and the South, and Tamaroya Core. Queen and Nuer, Kia Quota. Maybe we may try to touch and write a bit about the current political situation in the Republic of South Sudan. And how do you perceive it? How do you look at the current situation? And how is it affecting the Nuer community at large, and particularly in the Great Upper Nile? Banaraika Peter, Ahmad. Again, Banaraika, for how long the SPLA has been humiliating the Nuer society and community dung Nueri. And Walla, the Changakel Kafaibanwan, 2025. It has been how long? Since the inception of the SPLA or SPLA from 83. Under the leadership of the SPLA. Since 83. Maybe one right there. I know. Bana Guibo and SPLM, go a court. Kid go to get you on and SPLM to Number one, Chakon weekend politically, and then Chakon weekend economically. Go over Bana Rodan Tite. Why there is a failure of the leadership? A woman failed leadership mainly from the Western Nile, and particularly Bar Ghazal, and not Bar Ghazal al Kubra, not the whole Bar Ghazal. Why there is a failure of leadership, especially Kawara? Why is Salva Kiir and mainly the people of Greater Wara, why are they failing the South Sudanese? Eastern Nile, Garang has tried his level best. A person like Dr. Riak has tried his level best, even during the time of his struggle. But why the Western Nile, mainly Bahr el Ghazal, and not Bahr el Ghazal in general, and particularly the Warab? Why are we failing? As we have now realized that Salva have gone up to the level of trying to build the kingdom, bringing his own in-law, his own daughters. A person like Adut, a person like Bol Mel. Bana right in and Chigado Warab Chiga failed. And then again, why is it important? But you are freedom. La Jaga Bar, Kelana Naga. I shall not do the continent. Makai continent take a presbytery, La Kai take a CTC. Christian temple Chinese money, but after we struggle, China Luton, Chang, not a negative. Medan 7 Adventists, which we be a Dagan more, be a Dagan wood, be a Dagan we do for the Christianity and over George. China Luton, built for the Kunala Galantama. Knew the Jew freedom, Chera the Parka Benba. Lana Naga, in Ichuiton. Until finally, long be our Jigurun. Go on. I can few things can tell about what it. Chairman Jeshore Jaladia, the current chairman of South Sudan United Front, his South Nairobi Declaration. So when I'm about to talk from 205, here a kind of Benton, go on and never remind the current situation in Tuamatama. How do you proceed? At the right corner, coach at talk, Nyaka Equatoria, Nyaka Gadi, Equatoria Gadi, Equatoria, Nyanka, Tama, Kagadi, Yamaka code. And if you are could hear the day, at the right corner, Jabanekalanya. Again, at time a year the Gaja, as you speak and walla, year the longechuk and walla. The carry report, year the Gaja, at time a longechuk, can tell me year the Canasser. Here, Pana Lara, you can, and then again, and tell me year the Ray Fanga. The year Panka Twinja, the year the Gapum, a time wine cabin too. Kabe year many Bargazan. And the mother again you do in the engine of Sudan, Jaloi Kor. Micheloi Kor, Kubedu, Kulangu, Yiramamo. Kukane Terar, Kiri and Jirak. Dear old Tijan, how do you look at the current situation? Budunwabiat Bar. Kia Aguad Medena the Laran and Kailora. So can you in current situation in some South Sudan, Georgia, we do the core. Kuterajo, Kuterar, and a Tiro, Kawishare, being I know what is my role? Latin de la Ray Rajame. Georgia known which were core. By years, Kabata Yeda. Until China the good is one in Kitchen of Sudan, Chaka Kamra. Number 2 deal Jason and Panano just take up in two Chaga. Just take up in two Chaga. Kabam would work over. Although the Lara no Kodlana Loka Kui and Koran Lela Gaga. She could have used of Sudan. According to Kam Dam Sere, can the Sudan government, the Sudan army. So Cha English book, she could use the Korean and then it forced the shutdown of the oil, meant to South Sudan. Could you have the Matur kill? Any and the more they wrote to teach. And on a woman be Kata work away. So, I just have situation, Mandatin. Go on, I better work on for how long and no NSPLM SPLM. Channel you can show SSPDF, Mandan Akat. Mandakon again as well. From 205 until 20 years down the line, Naikon and she named one again. She got guide, because she didn't what you could expect. From 2005 to 2025, Miti Korodan, a woman Chanajak, Ray young amateur, which Cajun of Sudan. Which went in the NSPLM chat through the corruption. From 83, SPLM. Took a Nuer Nerol Gaja by 83 up to now. Kind of Nuer Palkamanaga. Shotore Gaja, Shogajanak by 83, away 84, again they could have called it didn't Yenka. Instead of Nate Laneka, did I put a liberate Nike, Katakan Cassia Samokoi. Should division to a walk. From 83, again, it was a Kanyanya 2, Shuanyanya 2, Shuakaila, Shunai from 83, again, it look a guide to me, again, it look a guard condial, may she have done a shoulder down, again, she got a diana from 83. Ko SPLM, again, Shaka. And then by 83, Showaka Hale, Shushap Gajak, Shoganak. Generator Koro Darwang, Koro Barge, Koro Mariale, it was the SPL. shona shoga na kadang midi many jana ba benke 84 so bray loga 84 to 85 shoga manak kanagandi and then you advance to Central Nuer, to Fangap, and then you advance to Bentiu. Rama Kujan Tamalawan and Kujimenu Nagna, and Umi Nagna from 80s up to now, Yamunagna, SPLM. Show Bentiu, and it has gone up to the far north. Shonagamayo. Menagna, SPLM, and leadership in SPLM. Tene the one can which would a bully cut the far west be away you can know like the one and never lie Shana and they did not know it. My men don't worry. Men don't worry, Mark, men don't worry, again a spell. Again a spell. So, Michi winning despite the uncontrolled one, tell me she wrote along. And then Kakora, the Kora and Tijan and conflict is a great conflict that she wrote in great SPLM. Kora the Alde Tuoka is Tuoka SPLM up to now. Kajan Mudaba, they are now up to now. And then when you try to look at the killing, she made a lot of 2012. May not a Jew, a lady, a lady Jewish or little con, a lady war. Caporatus. So you are showing a 2012. When the people of Wow protest against the relocation of the headquarters of Wow. And then Chwaganak. It was around December. December 2012. And then Shwajiwa Chwaganak. Kanabano, Kanishokan, 2013. So, may weapon arrogant thing. 2013. You are talking to the neighbor Nuer door to door. So Nuer never give a door to door, Kakur Nini Tiger Division, and then she turned against ethnic cleansing. Nuer, they were tortured, they were killed, door to door, and she connected to Kurmuan, about 400,000 Chakaluth, which is 500,000. SPLM Chuaganak. So ka kono mode igur kon SPLM. So Michi wo gji ka to da ji nyodo ne tell me ngai kona. So maybe by ya ko remind you ne what did the SPLM kan wore. And SPLM me de la de ne can you can't take cool and neck can guide take cool and neck medan. Kakanade Kujula Nuer. And current SPLM de Conalare Dungi is. Go Canadian Kuja Nation, native Kuja White, Kuja Nuer kuumɛ. But the way she manadan, she can aid show. Nimpoint community, Gamela community guy Jaki Kujula Nuer K83. She were ordered 10 against them. Imagine I'm putting you already like Jallu, you yellow a Jallu. Kajan Bugana one time more. Angamishuan were a country the Nueri. Can I do self analytical? She am right at home, and then I do the video Mamu with you. By Najan Kojan, Raja and I do, Katonuri, Raja Katober, Kojan P the Gigitum, and at the same time, Raja Katobuini. She confessed again. Agan nga kan pido. God garang kapan weri and mabiuranan. Chaga Nuer chi chiang kel gan wori men me ja kuumɛ ya leka gad kirbino kwaine anga makan pi de Nuer lakin meji kuumɛ ben chwa toka wona ne ke yitem eno ne ba ga ja pankien ka kan ba ko ina ba ne di liu ba ga ja ko ka ba ga ban ja ko ne ba ga ko ina chwa host community services state de kula kam ke ko shi ga na yor chwa ga deny and we did kula we did de kon ta ka dora and SPLM itself short turn against jikai anyoga SPLM dunga ne de jaka go be nyur ke eastern re jikai chi jimi dun mai ne chi kun point ne nya point ne lakin after all where are we kon an intema nen koro damtin antama cha call after the level metal ramangai ngak Shinadial especially is chikona liam chikona guy SPLM mego call the nation and no negen ba kuumɛ mishi wene ni je de ko ngaje no na telemo be SPLM telemo belet ka kon and patriotism ko wala lato and gang koro dantin telemo de tin katele leadership ke wisdom menen ko daga kir again ne kan te dia tele nyin garang te garang kalat chana nyur and the legacy dung Dr. John garang e to de chalat shall be destroyed kir and for that reason they kon la no SPLM shall fail and completely a western night especially you Barkazal and mainly kan gado wara chike SPLM chike na fail. So, Chang no Dr. John and Trump working his own grip. Chawaping. Chellegas me shalat kelu shall destroy, shabang. Kawono, we need another liberation. Go on another liberation. Mabane, lat kabukonang nyam. Kogunu Shalagarang has gone down. And is actually being known other reformists within the SPLM. But all the reform, where are they? So can they be destroyed? So again, and one of my kakentin tingu and never conga which I know Panabenga and SPLM by itself. Chairman Jikona ngaji no ne cha fail ka west cha fail ka Barkazal ko ba restore and ba dignity dung South Sudanese ba la de she ko na bla dan as well but deal a better leadership me be benya ko no chol ne ye Nuer en wo gwe ne ko ti dialan change la jalan Nuer chala da garang no ne mukan will contribute ka do tala ma be change be lat many ko ye ke jino Sudan medan mukan white mai da wa ke 2013 ka panai cha de gam ka ngare ke equator I mean equator ko ri nyi nyanta mo equator mukan mai da wa cha de gam ke equator ki to ma shiri lo ne shi da kaira ti dia la ha to no ram kai and what will change me ben this is the change that is coming now. And this is the right time for you and the opposition to tea. Kumakan were satisfied being a South Sudan order. She may be low. January. She not leadership Dungdua at the Garakir. She am not by a Roger Bull about Negar de Chiburu in Kenya from my name. What is that? To Dinka leader. And Sulta, Bajian Gagarang, Babana Selfa, Babana Bullmill. Have you accepted? Kia Dongba Adut. Have you accepted an original and be from the Dinka domination regime to another Dinka? This is not fair. You better look for another way. You continue a lot even if when you're 20 years from now, no. We have to say no. Kana ba right na I can get a generation. Come good go with you by week. Ma give chance. Kakinya Eju Kenyatta. He would Kikuyu go. Daniel Choruti Harab Moy. He wouldn't any Chala Kalenjin. I don't know the Meshiban. And then Chabane Kibaki. And then Chabane Uru Kenyatta. And then Chabane Dur Dodien. But a current president, President Ruto. So Kadur to cool. Ador Mutidi did Hinkel, there I need on an Ebenewach. A Dinka to Dinka regime, is it what you want? And this is what you want as a Nuer? We have said no, and we will not bow to support the current leadership of Bolmer. Finally, Maladi Yenune Nueri, she could fail. Chaka weekend. Economically, Chaka weekend politically. Chaka Bunka SPLM and SPLM. There are now long Kamurwa and ID. Chana write a peg darga, when shall greedy. Wouldn't we shall kill a greedy? Go from 205, they made you guarantee up to now. Here I'm going to take it. But no matter I which politically can wear an encoding. Let me go down and when a nation where chicken as well, chicken and support. Kwanetoka is the first family then here. The first family, I told another guard. The biggest businesses, big companies in the region of Sudan, Kenyan Gan here. They are controlled by his own family. Many UN Security Council, you cannot publish, you cannot wait quiet control. We have to start from the NALPET and the Nile Petroleum Corporation. Be a wood junker from the top up to the bottom. Many cleaners, and Makamili. It is being dominated by the Dinka. So where is the transparency? Where is the distribution of the resources? Transparency. Mean institution, imagine Lian Mubaka Panai. Kakwa control when we are like here. Jani. Let's talk about the executive. Executive. Presidency. And they are killed. All the powers. The current constitution. A transitional constitution. Go to the permanent constitution. To the transitional constitution. All the powers can here. Can cabinet the other right to the job. And then, China will get judiciary. Judiciary by winning Sharai Madurtin Pangaji. Do we have a fair and justice system? Because Sudan, which he didn't jump. you cannot get a fair judgment. Because the judiciary, here Ganun into the Sudan, Mahakama Kelio, the High Court, who you control can. They win an agency of which, when you didn't work a Mahakama, Chanchi Bene election are now gotten, she made Dikin a gag election. Now, a Mahakama may we rule and would it shall rule to a agency winner. Can our lot of duel a done? She may take a queen, kind of welcome like Mahakama independent. Salaran and a quarter at root. I come get root. A Mahakama may what no, Kiete, Chata, Kadun Quanger, a genuine camera. Like in Mahakama region, Sudan, which I to duel kill. There are Mahakama independent. And judiciary, Kani, Nuer Kani, Nengarodinson. And then Chanabanka finance Jani, and I control. It is being controlled by Dinka, especially the Bank of South Sudan. And then Mbulmel himself, Mukukon Lewije, can you the Altin Yen, petroleum you get the Albaga Waira, we open the finance. You get the Alwaga Pengak. Again, Chanabanka defend. Mukula date. Defend Kelly on a cab Mondama. I know you can see Manada. Yen were in Yeruduntin. While a pig which I do work at the Cabin division. I'm a new day. Can you in a policy? Many women never you know when Piggy wouldn't ever drain your mind. He meant to pull young cabin too. Do they have any control? Come on, Calvo. Division 7 and Division 1. So you are not there. Go tell you go for decision. Share Quakanangton, Pig away, I know day by you in gang up. And this is the level you know very often. Tell a conquer different. One of the national security. By a call for Yinton, Janyong around the Latin. Are we there? Nen you don't in January. One day in Tintian. Makayan Kayote, the kuumɛ SPLM, Mukuyan support. Agani, a chang again Garang, which take a check. Garang cannot do this. You cannot control the state from the top up to the bottom. And the reason we must have to continue to struggle for the better South Sudan. Because the current regime has failed. The whole system, from the top to the bottom, Dinka after Dinka, Dinka after Dinka, from Garang to Selfa, now we are now transition to Bulmel or Adut, is another Dinka. Are you going to accept this? Where is the fairness? So, again, from 1983 to 84, I did an SPLM division military course, and that is on to the massacre of the Nuer, Gajak, and also the law, Nuer from the Far East. And then, Chwabangur Dongde Nabamat. Lakin can K87. Chinabo mada puch, but can order belong. Maybe I know two mat can SPLA. Can 1991? Region and I go on a Mula Dakanapin, Chinara Palka Dakin back, Danapin to win there is the failure of the leadership within the SPLA. And then again, Chinabo Market 2002 came making to Nairobi. Kamgaran Kanakarmashar. And then what happened again? Measurement walk. Mechi been to work 2013. And it's not been split. Many times I'm going to go. Again, when they go to the area, South Sudan is now reaching a different stage, a different level. But at the current level of our continent, you make sure and know that Madida Wune, January, Lamna Shara, the Najan and better. Come and let you share a mental of freedom. Charada Paraka Benba. A good example, Chala Jaga Dul Commandant. Can missionaries stable made Teba right for Balat? Chanay the one again. Chanay the one again, Chik Luka, Chini, the Nan Chakanaka, I mean malaria and all this. Like finally, Christianity have a win. While good dual quap La Kidia, Kuyu and dual quap the Machana connect. A gentleman of which and no be at a freedom. Tell a pair of that. When I shoot them, she am Matagama Sharakati Genema, and then when they go Kenabo, big huge. A yelling gentleman, Taman Walla, Nyanya, Regaya. My wood is not inclusive, it's not exclusive. Minye you go longechuk and walla. Don't take it as a simple and not an Asia Bishopton. A ray logger, you wish a be year. Temperature wine by year than a time. Bentil Channel Rat. And go winner be an agent of freedom. It may come through the bloodshed and it may come through a political struggle. And a young gun worry and messenger walla when coming a changa kelka pai bangwan. Yananga message with him. Kagura and every Jacob. You want to be a part of this chain? Join us. Being able to write Dikson Gatluak, and you make sure that the coalition of men, which are formed Nuer, which is a Benton, Quaker, which are a coalition of South Sudan opposition movement, cases up. For the betterment of tomorrow. Kawana, Kakan few things to do Konga Walla, Koshana go to be keep busy, Biado Kamal, Kamaguru Bijaya, and WhatsApp them and came.
Guy Joe Shalin Guasame Joe Dana Charlotte Dikson, Shikona Ngajano. Raja long kata dana chiko to ogaja kan dob dana de ka chongaja kan ki malgamanan de latere wucha ka South Sudan. Jowling economy very important so bishiling ka dio ja chimugwa chekap etam dana neme gwan bana let ke je ko bi ko dan je ko kon community micha marginalize ke cha chenga jek bogor kon dialo de kon tika ngai ka dob dan de kon niam ka ja. Anda mandu ne chang kwanyak Amalia no Rhino was Mekan online TV channel, and while I shanga kelka pipang on run kina dangra with the jan dangra with the ditch, and a good Latin content bay, Yatamal.